Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Perez. This week we're going to be looking at text structures. The power standard of the week is to describe the overall structure of events, ideas, concepts, or information in a text or part of a text. Our objective is to describe the overall structure of events, ideas, or concepts or information in informational text or part of a text written at a 4th grade level. We're going to do this by doing comparisons, looking at cause and effect, looking at problem and solution. So this week you will be reading Counterfeit Money, Then, and Now. So we're going to use that as an example for you to kind of refer to, okay? So when we have a piece of literature that we're reading, you will sometimes notice at the top of a paragraph you will see words that are in bold, different color, or bigger, and these are called headings. Headings give the reader the overall idea about what that section is going to be about. Whenever we come across a word that is bold, it tells us that this is a vocabulary word that you need to know, and it will be found in the glossary with the definition. Underneath pictures, you will find captions, and captions help the reader to understand what is happening in that picture. Sometimes you will come across things that are called timelines. Timelines give us information in a chronological order, meaning it doesn't jump around. It doesn't go from the year 2011 to 2020 and then back to 2016. It goes in order, one after another, okay, in the order that it happened. So look at this heading. It says fake versus real, fake versus real. That heading tells me that these two things are going to be compared in this section. So if I wanted to learn about the difference between fake money and real money, I would want to look under this section just because of that heading alone. In your text, you will have something called the toolkit. The toolkit tells you the sequential order. This is an informational structure showing you step by step. So you're going to want to go in order: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Earlier I had mentioned a glossary. Now the glossary can be found at the back of the book typically, and wherever you saw those bolded words, that's where you're going to look back here. It's in alphabetical order, and it will give you the definition. So this week, as you're reading Counterfeit Money, Then, and Now, use those text structures to help you navigate and understand your text better. Please make sure that you come to our ELA homeroom session this week so you can get some more practice on text structures. Follow those pathways. After watching this video, please look at your pathway, answer those questions so you can get those extra resources if you need help or additional practice. Stride is great for extra practice, but remember, finish your summit courses first. If you need any more opportunities to try a quiz again, please email me and I can give those to you. Thanks guys. Have a great day.